What if the key to abundance wasn't just positive thinking, but an ancient alchemy hidden in the crystals of the earth? For centuries, healers and mystics have used crystals to amplify intention, but today we're diving deeper into the science, spirit, and modern practice of crystal alchemy for abundance. This isn't about superstition, it's about aligning your mind, energy, and environment to magnetize wealth, opportunities, health, and joy. And by the end of this video, you'll have a practical toolkit to start working with crystals in a whole new way. When most people think of abundance, they think money. But true abundance is much bigger. It's joy, vibrant health, loving relationships, and aligned opportunities. So, why do traditional manifestation methods sometimes fall flat? Well, it's because abundance is actually a holistic state of being, not just some goal to chase after. Quantum physics suggests that everything is energy and vibration. So, aligning your energy is just as important as affirming what you want. Neurolinguistic programming even shows us how our subconscious patterns block abundance when we keep repeating those limiting stories. Crystal alchemy works because it creates a bridge between intention and energy, bypassing the old programming and sinking us into a new state of flow. Let's talk about your crystal allies. Some of the most powerful stones for abundance are, first, citrine, the merchant's stone, which radiates joy and prosperity. Then there's pyrite, a real magnet for wealth and confidence, and green aventurine, which is known for luck, growth, and opportunities. But here's the secret. It's not about just owning them, it's about programming them. That means intentionally setting an intention, holding your crystal, and charging it with your energy. Crystal sourcing is evolving. With blockchain provenance, ethical and eco-conscious sourcing, like ESG crystals, and even AI-powered tools helping match crystals to your unique vibration, we're blending ancient wisdom with modern innovation. So how do you actually use these stones? Well, here's a simple but powerful practice. 1. Create a crystal grid or altar with your abundance stones, arranged in sacred geometry or just intuitive patterns. 2. Daily meditation. Hold citrine or pyrite, close your eyes, and visualize abundance flowing into your life. 3. Integration. Keep a crystal on your desk, by your journal, or in your pocket, so the intention stays activated all day. You can even experiment with digital crystal grids and DIY crystal elixirs. Just make sure you're only using safe, non-toxic stones. Try aligning your practices with moon phases to really amplify the energy. If you're ready to go deeper, here are a few ideas. Try charging water with crystal energy by placing crystals around the glass. Just remember, don't put the stones inside if they're toxic. You can also explore some lesser-known but powerful crystals like peridot for growth and renewal, or malachite for transformation and prosperity. And of course, feel free to safely craft personalized elixirs or sprays for some extra energetic support. And let's be real, not all trends are accurate. For example, not all moonwater practices are safe or effective. Always check your crystal's safety and respect the latest research when you're creating elixirs. Crystal alchemy isn't just a one-time ritual. It's really a lifestyle of alignment. Consistency matters. A crystal grid won't work if you don't return to it with energy and intention. It's important to recognize and release abundance blocks, whether it's fear of success, negative environments, or even quiet quitting on your own dreams. Pair your crystal practices with mindset shifts, grounding, and what many folks call soft living. That's a slower, more intentional life that actually creates space for abundance to flow. Remember, the crystals amplify your own energy. When you align with gratitude, joy, and purpose, abundance just naturally flows. So here's your challenge. Choose one abundance crystal this week, program it with your clearest intention, and create a simple ritual with it. Drop your favorite abundance crystal in the comments. Let's see what our collective toolkit looks like. And if you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe for more guides on crystal alchemy, manifestation, and cosmic alignment.